Grape juice. All aboard the surgery ride. I'm Glam. I'll be your surgery guide. I'm Glam Graham with all things glam. Welcome to Build a Bitch Workshop. This is the 4th edition. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty. Where to start? You may want to look at yourself like so. Then you may want to ask yourself, what the hell happened? I mean, what went wrong? I was a cute kid and all. Insert cute kid photo here. I would suggest that you never start with your face. Okay, here's the reason why. You have to look at this face for the rest of your life. Okay, and everybody around you, this is the first thing that they see. So it's totally different dealing with a body blooper than it is dealing with your face. You don't want to have any face deformities. You want to correct your face deformities if you have any, if you can. I would absolutely suggest you start with your teeth. Your teeth. While having a fight with an ex of mine, your ex for a reason, child, he told me, while you fixing everything on your body, you need to worry about fixing those teeth. And this is right before his dentures fell out. Instead of me being upset, it actually had the opposite effect on me. I was like, maybe that old man right. Probably do need to fix these teeth. So wherever you're at, I know you're out there. Thank you. We're gonna cue up a photo. I was once told by a double board certified plastic surgeon, that's what he said. I want to show y'all. I'm a double board certified plastic surgeon on national TV, that I could not have dimples. This is an imperfection, a dimple, which is a minor surgery that's performed under topical or twilight, more so. So you're there, but you're not fully there. Well, he was wrong. Okay, I did get them done, and the reason being is because he didn't specialize in this procedure. I want y'all to keep in mind that just because a doctor is certified or able to be a plastic surgeon or perform a surgery does not mean they specialize in it. You always want to get somebody that specializes in it, okay? You wouldn't go visit your family doctor for vision problems, would you? Would you? You wouldn't go visit your plastic surgeon for back issues, right? So I understand that he could not perform this procedure, but clearly it was done. And it was done nicely. Anyway, back to these teeth. So let me just give y'all the breakdown or the rundown, because I know I'm all over the place today. And maybe because of the grape juice. A dental hygienist is responsible for keeping good hygiene in your mouth. A dentist takes care of teeth. They write treatments and they do things to promote healthy oral care. A periodontist is someone who actually pulls teeth out. They diagnose and treat periodontal disease. And they, okay, I'm stuck. What else do they do? They treat inflammation in the mouth. Yeah, that's what they do. And they also cut gums. If you got a gummy smile, then you may need to see a periodontist. Sorry. That's what I had, y'all. I had a gummy smile, so I had to see a periodontist for that and cut my gums. And an ortho would be the one to do your braces. So for me, at some point, I had to see each one of these people, because if you take care of your teeth, then your teeth will definitely take care of you. You need them. Yeah, it's a necessity. This is not just a vanity thing. This is actually something that you need. Okay? Short break, short break, short break, short break. Yes, the camera loves you. Okay, so I did want to interrupt myself. So you've been interrupted. To let you all know that there is a such thing as gum bleaching. Now, I did opt to get my gums bleached because I wanted them lighter and brighter, you know, to give me a lighter, brighter smile within my mouth. The only problem is you have to keep in mind that gums have memory. So you do stand a chance of the actual gums turning back dark or being a different color. So I'm gonna let y'all get back to this video. I just wanted to cut in and say that because these are things that I forgot to say. It's unscripted. So, my little porcelain dollies, I am going to give you a disclaimer. I'm not a dental assistant. Not that. I do not manage a dental office. I can't even manage to get to my appointments on time. Facts. True tea. I do not take calls for one. I can't set you up an appointment for one. But what I can tell you is my story and my journey with it. And this was one of the best things that I did for myself. Like I told you all about the gastric, or you know, this is one of the best things that I did to take care of my teeth, because a lot of people be having some messed up teeth and they be young. You know, y'all gotta get, what she say, get a bag and fix your teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. Fix your teeth. Heed this warning, because if you don't pay for it now, you will definitely pay for it later. Until next time.